Do you want to feel more confident about your GMAT preparation? Watch this video till last. Hi, my name is Mandeep. I'm a GMAT coach and founder of GMAT Mantra. I help committed GMAT students to score 700 plus on GMAT by giving structure and consistency to their preparation. I'm sharing experience of one of my students. So this student joined my classes last week. He's a working professional, so he takes classes only on weekends. So he said he can take only one class on the weekend because he needs remaining weekend to study. I said perfectly fine. So last week I took his first class and I taught him the basics of sentence correction. So I taught him a few topics of grammar, and then we did few questions in which I explained how to approach those questions. After the class, I gave him the homework. In homework, there were three things. One, I sent him the theory slides. Second, I sent him the recording of the class. And third, I gave him around 12 questions and I asked him to write down step-by-step solution to every question of the homework. And he has to explain me each question step by step in the next class. So in the second class, when I asked him to explain each question of the homework, so he started with the first question. He gave me that A is the answer. I asked him what is the reason behind eliminating the remaining options. He said he don't remember. So I asked him to explain me some concepts. I asked him what is the concept, how you use this particular thing. He was blank. I asked him, didn't he studied the concepts? He said that I read the concepts, but he don't remember. Now you need to understand the difference between reading and memorizing the concepts. So when we memorize in such a way that you should be in the position to teach it to someone. So if you can teach something, that means you have memorized. So most of the students, what they do when they start with the theory, they read the theory, they don't memorize. They think that memorization will take a lot of time. But what happens over a period of time, if you read, probably you forget next day. So probably you'll be reading it 10 times, and even after 10 times, you will not remember it. You will always feel, when you're reading it, at that moment you will feel confident, but the moment, probably a day after, you will forget it. And that's the where, you start losing confidence. So if you want to feel confident, start by memorizing. Memorizing is very simple. Let's say there are 10 slides, take one slide at a time, read what is there, then close that slide, and then speak out what you read. If you can speak what you read, that means it's a part of your memory. But if you're facing difficulty in explaining, you're speaking and you're not able to speak it, that means it's still not there. Go back to the same slide, read it again, close the slide and explain it to yourself. Do it for 5, 6, 7, 8 times till you're not able to explain it. If you do this way, trust me, in the first go you will memorize everything. Your overall time will be, probably I would say, you will take 1/10 of the total time you take. But what most of the students do is they just read again and again and again, never memorizing it. And that's where it shakes your confidence. But if you memorize it, you will see that your confidence is high. You'll have the confidence to attempt the questions. You will not be afraid of the questions. Because if you know the theory, that means 90% thing is done. Then follow the right approach, you'll get the answer. So focus on memorizing, not reading. Hope this helps you to improve your confidence in GMAT preparation. Thank you.